Welcome back to another edition of Quick Bits. All through this week, I was in Abuja, but I had to come back to Jos today to shoot this episode. So, I think you owe me. Click the subscribe button below. I'll wait. Yeah. Have you done it? I can see you haven't done it. Yeah, subscribe. Kicking off this week with Ikorodu Bois. These are three young boys from Ikorodu, Lagos, Nigeria, who have been making low-budget versions of trailers of popular movies and covers of popular songs. And this week, they took the world again by storm. They recreated the trailer to the popular movie Extraction that was released by Netflix. And this was where they hit the jackpot. They were on a video call with Ovi from the movie. Netflix, the Russo brothers, and Chris Hemsworth himself saw their video and shouted them out on Twitter. In fact, they've been invited by the Russo brothers to the premiere of Extraction 2, whenever that is going to come out. So good job, Ikorodu boys. Consistency is the key. You have been at this for a long time, and now it's your time to shine.
Shine bright like a diamond.
IdowuKoyi is a Nigerian visual storyteller, and she's currently working on a project titled 100 Days of Nigerian History. So far, she has covered how the name Okada came to be, Hausa land, Yoruba land, and Benin. She has talked about King Sunny Ade, Nollywood, which is Nigerian cinema, the Super Eagles, Queen Moremi, Queen Amina, High Life music, among other things. You can check out her Instagram page to catch up on bits and pieces of Nigerian history. And IdowuKoyi, once you are done, we are making history right here. Come cover us. Thank you. Amazing Klef is at it again. Couple of weeks ago, we covered his amazing work on the Open Nigeria campaign. And again, this week, he released a photography book called My Lighting Setup. In his book, you are going to see how he sets up his shots, how he lights them, frames them, and how he grades them. So you're a photographer out there, beginner, intermediate, even professionals. You should probably grab yourself a copy and tell him we sent you. So what's an episode of Quick Beats without some free stuff? Last week, we had loads of free stuff for videographers. This week, photographers at the table. Crella is an online marketplace where you can access resources like graphics, fonts, and even presets. And currently, Crella is running a sales program, $1 preset deals from Crella. From their vast library of lightroom presets that usually go for about $12, $16, or even $19, they are selling it at the moment for a flat rate of $1 per preset. You want to jump on these photographers? $1 for a preset instead of $15. So get yourself a preset and thank me in the comment section below. And wrapping up this week with Canon Africa. It's an account that we at QuickBeats are going to recommend to you, our viewers. If you're a photographer or a videographer, you definitely want to be following Canon Africa on Instagram. They post a lot of webinars, tips, tricks, and tutorials on their page for free. Last week they had Daniel Heimen, Manuel Oyelik, and so many other talented photographers held free webinars. So if you're a photographer or videographer or even a visual storyteller and you want to sharpen your skills, you definitely want to check out their account. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next week.